So I get home, and usually what I do is I put my keys away so I don't forget on the next morning. Then I take off my clothes, get into some comfy stuff. Then I Zumba for a bit. After that, I shower, and then it's time for dinner. So I set the table while my sister comes home from work, wait for my dad to get home from work. And then about 7 o'clock, 7:30, we're all eating. Then it's time to pick up the table. Then we have to go clean the dishes, your typical family events. Then after that, we end up brushing our teeth. Sometimes, if it's a really fun day or just feeling spontaneous, we get to bake some chocolate chip cookies, and it's always something to look forward to after a long day of work. So I am a Snapchat and Instagram addict, but I am working on it. It does help me with my stress levels, but sometimes I get a little too involved, if you know what I mean.